Welcome back to Explain CAD. Happy New Year. In this tutorial we will know about offset constraint, how to apply offset constraint in Catia. For that, first of all I select Start, Mechanical Design, Assembly Design. Now here select existing component, select product 1, select plate, select open. Again select existing component, product 1, and this part, select open. Select manipulation, select this part, move upward along y-axis, this side. Okay. In previous tutorial we know how to apply contact constraint. We select this surface, and this surface, and apply contact constraint, and then both surfaces are in contact with each other. Now we have to apply some gap between these plates. For that I select this offset constraint. This is the offset constraint, select it. Now I select this face, rotate the part, and I select this face. Here put the value of offset distance which we want to put here. Suppose I enter here 50 mm, select OK, select update. Now see here, this is 50 mm distance between here and here. If it is not visible, you can select here measure between. If measure between also not appear here, right click and add measure from here. Select measure, select this face, rotate the assembly and select this face. See here, this is 50 mm distance between both these plates. Select OK. I suggest you to apply offset constraint over contact constraint because it is very easy to edit in future. If you want to edit it, if you want to apply here contact constraint, you have just type here value 0. It works like contact constraint. Select update. See here, both plates are contacted in contact with each other like contact constraint. If you want to edit it, select here 5 mm, select OK, update. The distance between both plates is 5 mm. This is the offset constraint in Catia. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.